Hello everyone! We are a professional handmade crochet basket factory dedicated to creating various exquisite home storage baskets and decorations. Whether you are looking for functional storage solutions or want to add a touch of warmth to your home with handmade crafts, we can meet your needs. Customization service. We offer customization services to tailor crochet baskets to your preferences and home decor style. You can collaborate with our design team to create unique pieces in terms of color, size, and design. Home storage baskets. Our home storage baskets are perfect for organizing items such as clothes, toys, magazines, and more, helping you keep your space neat and tidy. They are not only practical but also add a warm handmade touch to your home decor. Handmade crafts. Our crochet baskets are not just practical storage containers but also exquisite handmade crafts. Each basket is carefully crafted by our artisans to ensure high quality and unique charm. Retail and wholesale. In addition to customization, we also accept wholesale orders. If you are a retailer or small shop owner, we welcome you to collaborate with us and offer our exquisite handmade crochet baskets to your customers. Our products include but are not limited to home storage baskets, baby Moses baskets, pet beds, gift baskets, decorative baskets, and more. Whether you are looking for practical storage solutions or unique handmade crafts, we can meet your needs. Feel free to contact us anytime and let us add a touch of warmth and beauty to your home decor.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping.